Hello and welcome back, guys. Today we are here with a brand new mockup, that is a mousepad mockup. To download the PSD files of these mockups, you can go and check out the link that has been provided in the description box below. And to download any other PSD files of the mockups that has been done on our channel, you can check out the other link that has been provided in the description box as usual. So make sure you check those out, and for any personal assistance you can drop a comment, but we will suggest you to support us through our Patreon family. From there you can contact to us directly. So in the very first step we will be taking the pen tool, as you know, and then select the corners roughly. You can zoom in with Ctrl+. First create the points, the dots to connect throughout the whole project. Later we will be doing a fine tuning of it with the add anchor point tool, but for now we will just roughly select the object. Now we will take the add anchor point tool and then we will adjust the curves. Remember, this one has only one smooth curve, so we will be adding only one point. In other mockups we can add as many as points we want, because there are many curves and very complex structures, which this one is not. So this one will be very easy for you. Just observe how I'm taking only one point and placing it very minutely, perfectly on the line of the object. Here you can fast forward this step if you feel so, because this is a very similar shape as the three other corners. So I will be just doing it. You can fast forward to this very part. Once you have selected the whole object, now we will zoom out, and then we will take a rectangle tool for making the smart object, as you know. Then right click on the shape and then convert it to smart object. Then select the shape 1 and then right click on it and then select the make selection option and then press OK. Clicking on the smart object, we will press on the masking option. So it will be masked and wrapped around the real object. Now we will change the name. I am writing place your design here. You can write whatever suits you. Find easier names. Now on the smart object we will be placing our design. As you can see, we have already selected one design beforehand. We will drag and drop that on our smart object and then adjust the size. And then save the file. Only when you save the file, it will be updated on the main PSD file. Alright. After you have done that, press Ctrl and J and then select make one copy, and then from there select convert it to multiply, and then again by copying that layer convert it to light from normal, and then by pressing Ctrl L you can just adjust the levels here, make the adjustments according to your preferences. and the layer that you had taken before. Now we will name the layer as usually. The screen layer will be light and the later layer will be shadow. Here we do not need the mid-tone, so no need to worry because this looks fine. Now once you are done with it, you can wrap it up, save. Thanks for watching.